I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr with logo design. And before you close this video and say blah, 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 logo design is too saturated, just wait and listen. Here's what I'm going to say about that. Yes, there are a lot of logo designers on Fiverr, but I'm going to show you how you can make money designing logos despite all of that. So if you're serious, make sure to watch this whole video. No skipping. And if you find it helpful, smash the big fat like button. All right, so logo design. It's probably the category of services on Fiverr that has the lowest barrier to entry. People from all over the world do it. A lot of people use automated tools to help them do it. And a lot of people are charging rock bottom prices when they do it. Which, if I'm being honest, is probably why so many people claim it's oversaturated and a waste of time. Here's how I think you can make money designing logos despite all that stuff. Number one is do not use automated tools. Number two is do not price yourself at the bottom of the market. And number three, despite maybe not being a native English speaker or not from the US, don't treat logo design projects or logo design customers like they're just transactional business with low value service and minimal communication. I think what I just said are the keys to differentiating yourself in a category like logo design that has so much competition on a site like Fiverr. Keep watching the video and I'll explain why. So the first thing I mentioned was do not use automated logo designing tools. Why is that? Why should you not use automated logo designing tools? Well, if it's not already obvious, they might seem like they're a really good thing for you as the designer because they make life a whole lot easier, but they're actually not. And here's why. They're bad for you and they're bad for your clients. Now, if you're working at a big company and you just need something internal to help design things that you need in a pinch, they might be a good option. But not so much if you're on a platform like Fiverr or just generally competing in a marketplace or a market with tens of thousands of other logo designers using the same automated tools. Because why would a buyer choose to hire you versus anyone else doing the exact same thing? The short answer is there really is no reason that they would choose you versus everyone else if you're all using these automated tools. Similar automated tools generate pretty similar generic looking automated designs. So with this first tip, the thing that I want you to burn into your brain is bespoke design. Bespoke, custom, special for your client, designed by you. In my opinion, in this day and age, this topic, this idea of being a bespoke designer and not using automated AI-powered design tools should be burnt in your brain and is the first step to being a successful logo designer on Fiverr. Bespoke design, no generic stuff, no fluff. The second key to making money on Fiverr as a logo designer is to not price yourself at the bottom of the market. Now this one might be controversial because in a lot of my other videos, I do recommend that new sellers price their gigs at $5 and gradually increase their prices as they accumulate positive reviews. But if you're a logo designer and you've come to terms with my first point that you'll only be designing bespoke, custom, super special designs for people, I think starting at a higher price point will actually help you both in the short and long term. I think that type of a price point would represent that bespoke, that special design service that you're trying to provide. And for that reason, I think that if you're following this video and you're trying to succeed as a logo designer and you can design bespoke, powerful, awesome logos, you should try that out. All right, so the third thing that I think is essential to help you succeed as a logo designer on Fiverr is to avoid providing rushed service with minimal communication. Buyers like the idea of getting high quality work, but people also like the feeling of getting high quality customer service. A lot of logo designers I've encountered on Fiverr are yes men. They say yes, yes, yes to every request and just rush to get that order placed with their buyer as soon as any interest is shown. And to be totally fair, maybe there are language barriers for some logo designers on Fiverr. Totally fair. But there's definitely something to be said with having good, open communication, good conversations with buyers before they decide to hire you. For one, it looks way less desperate. But most importantly, being patient and communicating with your buyers before they order from you helps you collect very important, very valuable information that'll help you understand what they actually want from you and might even help you deliver better work because you are armed with more information on what they want. It'll help you do a better job with the logo, it'll help you get better ratings, and it'll probably help you get more repeat business. Anyways, those are 3 things that I think are essential for succeeding as a logo designer in this day and age in Fiverr. What do you think? Are you going to try these out, or do you think they're fluff? Have you already been trying out some of these but not all of them? Leave a comment below. I'd be happy to chat about my logic here, and I really hope you find some success selling logos on Fiverr. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, cheers.